everyone, welcome back to Baking with Ari. Today we are going to make a red velvet cake. The three main ingredients needed are oil, egg, and water. To decorate the red velvet cake, we will be needing chocolate syrup, vanilla frosting, and 2 packs of sprinkles. Now we need to pour the three ingredients into the cake mix. We will be pouring in the water, then the eggs, and last, the 2 cups of oil. Now we will mix the 3 ingredients together. Prepare the cake pans with butter, flour, and cocoa powder. Pour the cake batter into 2 pans evenly. Put these in the oven for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll be back soon to decorate the cake. As you can see, I have already frosted the cake. I've outlined a heart in the center of the cake with chocolate syrup. Now use rainbow sprinkles to fill in the heart. As you can see, we filled in the heart and added chocolate syrup around the cake. Thank you for watching Baking with Ari.